Dad's got his new toy and he's going to shoot the eggs. Right, go on then when you're ready. You missed. You should just aim right on it. Come on, Dad, you can hit the egg. You're aiming too high, Dad. You're aiming too high. Huh? Yeah, you're wobbling. Oh, go on, same again. Dad, that exploded. Loud as fuck as well, then, Poppins. No, oh, I got covered in it. Oh, do the last one there. I tell you what, these 177s obliterate these fucking eggs. Oh, lovely.